What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? I am the Crypto Crow, and today we're going to cover something that it's basically a way that you're going to make some money back in your trading. This is actually a pretty clever idea. This is Tetherback.com, and this is something I wish I would have had, quite honestly, a long time ago, and I'm shocked I haven't seen more about it yet. I think this is pretty brand new. And I'm pretty sure it was one of the founders reached out to me and said, "Hey, can we, sponsor a video and get kind of a guide on how to use this?" And I said, "You know what? I checked it out, and I'm like, yeah, that looks pretty legit. This looks cool. It's a clever idea." I told him flat out, I'm like, I'm shocked I didn't think of this myself. Basically, what it boils down to is Tetherback takes. So when you sign up for an exchange account through Tetherback, when you're trading, they're basically like an affiliate, right? And so they have a deal. They work out the deals with the exchanges for these, like, I'm assuming better tier affiliate relationships. The same way like me or any other YouTuber would, like, sign up, use my code, and you get these bonuses and perks and things. Well, what happens is with Tetherback, when you sign up through them and you connect your exchange account, they're basically giving you a cut of what they make from your volume. So, if you just set up your own account, well, generally it's like a YouTuber or somebody that's making all of it and they're making all this money. Well, Tetherback is giving it back to you. So the more you trade, they're still making some, but the more you trade, the higher your volume. Well, now you're getting it back as well. So I actually think this is pretty cool. So what you want to do is you want to first start off by setting up your account. You can use Crow as your promo code, and you get some perks and benefits and things. But once you're logged into your account, ultimately what you can do is you can go into your dashboard. So we're going to go into the dashboard here. And you can connect your first exchange, but really what you want to set up your exchange accounts first, because I have a BitUnix account, but I can't just pipe in my old BitUnix account into this because they don't have a relationship with my old BitUnix account. So I ultimately would want to create a new BitUnix account through Tetherback, so that they're getting a cut of my trade volume that they're then cutting me in on. Does that make sense? So you can you can register your account with BitUnix, and I effectively had just clicked their affiliate code is what that boils down to. And then once you've done that, you just connect your exchange. You connect your exchange account. It's very simple. So you just click connect, and then over here, yeah, you can see that sort of. Let me pull this in a little bit there. There you go. So start exchange setup. Now, if I read this, exchange connection wizard, connect your favorite trading exchange and start earning cash back on every trade. Ready to connect, all in one, real-time data, claim your cash back. You can withdraw at any time. So, and then you pick what exchange you're with. I'm with BitUnix. I know it's not going to let me do this because I'm not signed in yet through them. I'm going to have to set up a new account. But then once you've registered your exchange account, clicking one of the links below, then you're going to throw in your UID. And then once that's done, you just hit register, it goes through, and now you're basically you're a member of the Tetherback community, and you'll be able to start seeing kind of like, what you expect to make based on your volume. You'll start getting some data and things like that. And that's really it. Like, I mean, it's pretty simple. I would keep tabs on the ongoing campaigns because they do a really good job of showing you like what exchanges are giving away the most money, the most bonuses, what's popping. So that I actually think is pretty cool because you're going to have it all under one roof. And I know that they have it all. They have a lot of stuff set up right now with just these 4 exchanges, but I know that they're working on adding many, many more. So at some point you're going to be able to it's going to be a one-stop shop. You're going to be able to sign up for any of the exchanges you want. You can trade on whatever one you want. get the benefits of whatever the giveaways, the VIP bonuses, whatever, until those phase out. And then you just go on to the next exchange if that's how you really want to do it. And then you're going to be making cash back on all of your own volume for once. This is finally the first time we can make money back on our own volume, because we all know when we're leverage trading, that volume could go up real quick. I mean, at one point I was at over 35 million a month in trade volume on BitUnix. It sounds insane, but when you're doing, whatever your trade balance is, however big your trades are, and then you're trading at, 3 to 5x generally is what I'm doing. Typically it's 3x because I'm a little scaredy cat. But it still didn't do very well for me on October 10th, did it? But it's all pretty cool. And I think the plans for this are to grow pretty big and to get some really big relationships. I mean, they already have a BitUnix is really big, BingX, BitGet, and Weeks. So they've already got a lot going for them, but I'm actually really curious to see like what else they come up with, because I think there's a lot of stuff that they'll be able to do with this whole methodology. And so I'm pretty excited. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted. Set up your accounts, give it a shot. Give me some feedback in the comments below. Are you using it? Have you set up your account? Give me some feedback. I really want to know. And then we'll keep tabs on these guys and see how how much money everybody's making back. I think you'll be surprised at how much cash you make back on your own trade volume. That ultimately you're used to just giving to the YouTuber that convinced you to join. So rather than the YouTubers make all the money, now you can make it yourself. So until next time, guys, thanks for joining me, Crow Your Coins, and I'll see you soon.